Let me give you a closer look of this two-piece wooden utensil set that was sent to me by the brand in exchange for my feedback. This set comes with two organizers, one larger holder with 3 compartments and a slightly smaller one with 2 compartments, which makes it really easy to separate and organize your cooking tools. I like that these dividers are removable. It just makes cleaning a lot easier and it gives you flexibility. You can use it with the dividers or without the dividers. My old utensil holder is so overcrowded. I definitely need a new one. I love the rectangular shape because it sits flush against the wall and doesn't take up unnecessary space. It's great for holding, your spatulas, wooden spoons, whisks, and even baking tools. And you can move it around easily from the counter to the table or whatever you need it. The wood finish gives it a warm farmhouse style look that works well with rustic or any cozy kitchens, but it's also simple enough to blend into most spaces.